So here's one of our snow plows. This is a Fisher Unmount 2. Says the newer styled headlights, the intense fire, or whatever they call them. So here's a quick video how to hook and unhook the plow. It's really easy. They make it really simple. So right now I'm pulling right up against your headgear. All you do is push forward. A little bit. All you do is push forward, pull this lever, and that locks in your pins. Make sure you lock in that. Pull this out. Pull your jack up so the jack's in the air. Take your plugs. Plug in your all your units. So you should have, most plows have 3. So once all your plugs are in, should be all set. Go in the truck. Should be able to turn the control on. And all your plow controls should work. Your lights should be turned on. That's all that's to it. Now I'll show you guys how to take it off. So you want to make sure this is lowered all the way so it's not pulling up at all. Unplug all your plugs. That. So I'll pull this lever to drop your jack. Get it so it sits. And you're going to pull this lever out. You got to pull this out. Like that. And once again, you want to push forward. So when you pull this lever down, all you're doing is pulling these pins out. And that's it. Really easy. You can do it by yourself. Takes, as you can see, just a couple minutes to hook and unhook. So it's a good design. All the companies have fairly good designs. We're big Fisher fans. Obviously, that's why we have all Fishers. But